Hello everyone, my name is Max. I'll take you on a short journey to the Unit Kingdom, a land of rich traditions, history, language. Let's explore what makes British culture so special.
The language of the United Kingdom. The United Kingdom is the home of the English language, but did you know that people also speak Wales, Scottish Gaelic, Irish in some parts of the country? What? English here is full interesting expressions and idioms that reflect everyday British life. British traditions and holidays. The British love their tradition. Of the most famous is the afternoon tea. People enjoy tea with milk, small sandwich, and delicious cakes. Another popular tradition is celebrating the Queen's birthday and royal event. The British also enjoy public holidays like Bonfire Night and Christmas. Is the British traditions and holidays example? I want to show you a video from the holiday Bonfire Night. This is amazing. Each with everyone to visit there and have a nice welcome. Let's go. British politeness and communication. People in the United Kingdom are known for being polite and saying "please", "thank you", and "sorry", "excuse me" very often. They also smell take short friendly conversation about the weather or daily life. British culture is everyday life. British culture can be seen everywhere in the music, films, fashion, and food. The United Kingdom gave the world The Beatles, Harry Potter, Sherlock Holmes, and many more cultures icons. Fish and chips, red buses, and double-decker taxis are also part of what makes Britain special.
The United Kingdom blends language, culture, and history into something unique. Be learning traditions, holidays. We understand the bridges of the life. Thank you are watching. Goodbye.